using unless. Unless means except on the condition that. Unless needs a main clause to make a complete sentence. Unless is used instead of if not. We can remove if not and can write unless. And it is followed by present tense, past tense and past perfect tense. Unless is used with all type of conditional clauses instead of if not. No conditional clauses are of 5 kinds: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional, mixed conditional and mixed two conditional. If you want to know more about conditional clauses, watch my next video. Now let's see how to use unless. Okay, unless is a present tense. Here we need to remove if not from a sentence and we have to add unless. Okay, you will not gain a high score in IELTS exam if you do not learn English every day. So we are going to remove if not and going to write unless. We are removing if first. Okay, you will not gain a high score in IELTS exam. We removed if and writing unless you learn English every day. See, we are removing from here do not. Okay, and we are writing just a positive word because already we have written unless there and it is negative. So we can write you learn English every day unless you learn English every day. Okay, you can't get a good mark if you do not study well. You can't get a good mark. We are going to remove if from there. We are writing unless you do not study hard. Is it correct? No. We have to write if you study hard. No need of writing not again. Okay, so we have to use unless there and you unless you study hard. Okay, he won't go to sleep if you do not tell him a story. He won't go to sleep. We are removing if from there. We are writing unless there and we need to write you tell him a story. Okay, correct? Don't go to sleep unless you tell him a story. Okay, we removed negative word if not from there and we wrote unless there. Okay, so let's see unless plus past tense. Okay, that is second conditional. Here we have to remove again if not from the sentence. Okay, I wouldn't take the rain if I didn't have to. Okay, I wouldn't take the rain. We are removing if from there unless and unless I had to. Okay, did also is a word which we write with a auxiliary verb which disappear with a not. Okay, I wouldn't eat this food if I wasn't really hungry. I wouldn't eat this food. We are removing if from there. We have to write unless and I was really hungry. Okay, we are removing not from there. Okay, if not is removed and we are writing I wouldn't this food unless I was really hungry. Okay, let's go to next sentence. I would not have brought this if they were on sale. They weren't on sale. Okay, it is a negative sentence. If and not have to be removed and we have to write unless. Okay, I would not have brought this unless they were on sale. Clear? Now let's go to unless with the past perfect tense. Okay, that is third conditional. Okay, if the train having broken down we would have been on time. Unless we have to remove, just remove if and just write unless there. Okay, wherever the if is, replace it with the unless. Unless the train hadn't broken down we were sure to be late. Okay, then next one, if he had not come to see me yesterday I wouldn't have taken him to the movie. Unless he had come to see me yesterday I wouldn't have taken him to the movie. Okay, now next one, we should have stayed healthy if he hadn't walked in the rain. If not is equal to unless. So we can replace if not and write unless instead. Now we know that if is the opposite word of unless, because unless means if not. So if there are questions to find out whether we have to write if or unless, we can write it easily. Now look at this. Choose the correct answer, if or unless. You can find this type of question in your question papers. So we have to read each and every question and understand whether to use if not or if. If it is if not, we have to write unless, or if it is positive sentence, we need to write if. Understand? I hope now you can do better with this conditional clauses English, clauses with if or unless. Thank you.